Hey y'all, it's Melissa, the major organizer, San Antonio franchise owner, and I'm here in my closet because I have a confession for you. 4 months ago, I purchased my franchise and my whole life changed. I had been a stay-at-home mom for a couple of years, and my closet was set up to suit me in that season of my life. Once I started working, and the holidays came and the kids were home from school and we were having people over, my closet kind of became a dumping ground and got a little overwhelming even for me. And so I got to a point where I was just really frustrated and I was like, I need to take back control of this chaos that I'm causing myself. So what did I do? I filled out the exact same evaluation form that we do with our clients so I could organize my own closet. And I have to say, it didn't take me very long, and it has made such a huge impact in my life now that I'm a working mom again. So I just wanted to share with you that even though you have a system or something going on in your life that worked for a certain period of time, it's okay if that doesn't work anymore. You can make the changes, and Major Organizers is here to help you do just that.